So this is a great little mobility tool where you don't need any equipment, and it's great for getting into that like joint, that hip capsule. So what you're going to do is go almost into that kind of pigeon pose, one leg back, turn that into external, and then from here, you're imagining you're trying to dip this hip towards that knee. So instead of opening up, you're trying to dip that hip, and then you're just trying to load a little. So it's a very small motion. At that end point, you just feel this little bit of a pull quite in that joint capsule, or feels like it's coming from that joint. Shouldn't feel like a massive stretch. I'll show you from another angle. From here, so you're trying to get a bit of external there, sit back a little bit. This hip, you're trying to dip it, which loads this glute tissue a little bit more. And then you're just trying to get some movement laterally with that. And this works best with like reps. So aiming for like nice consistent fluidity through the movement and kind of pulsing in and out, in and out.